Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see 7th standard matriculation maths. The topic is properties of triangles, exercise 11.3. Okay, see the 7th one. The hypotenuse of an isosceles right triangle is root of 242 centimeter. Okay, find the length of each equal side. Find the length of each equal side. Okay, so here what is given, children? Hypotenuse is given. Then we need to find out the length of the equal side. Okay, isosceles right triangles. Okay, so isosceles means any two sides should be equal, and here right triangle means one of the angle should be 90 degree. Okay, so what is given in the question? Hypotenuse equal to root of 242. Okay, let us consider the equal side be x. Okay, let the equal side be x. Okay, see here, right triangle, these two sides should be equal. Okay, and just naming it A, B, C. Okay, the hypotenuse is, this one is 242. So this equal side we take, consider as x. Okay, here we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem, children? In right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, here AC value root of 242 the whole square equal to AB here x square plus BC x square. Okay, when we square this, what you will get, children? 242. So 242 equal to x square plus x square. What you will get? 2x square. Okay, so 2x square equal to 242. X square equal to 242 by 2. Okay, divide this. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 ones are 2. So x square equal to 121. But we need to find out the x value. Okay, so the square will change square root. Okay, x equal to square root of 121. Okay, so how can you split this? Root of 11 into 11. Okay, so x equal to 11 centimeter. Okay, is it clear, children? X is represent equal side. So the equal side, length of the equal side is length of the equal side is 11 centimeter. I repeat this. Here the hypotenuse values is given, and we are going to find length of the equal side, that we consider as x. Okay, by using the Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, just substitute the value here. Here hypotenuse value root of 242 the whole square equal to x square plus x square. When we add this, what you will get, children? 1x square plus 1x square, you will get 2x square. Okay, so we need to find out the x value alone. So x square alone, keep it here. This multiplications will change other side division. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 121 into 2 you will get 242. Okay, so x square equal to 121, but we need to find the x value. So the square will change square root. So x equal to square root of 121. So how can you split this? 11 into 11. So x equal to 11 centimeter. The next question, AB and DC are two vertical poles. Okay, two poles, AB and CD. Okay, placed opposite to each other, at a distance of 63 meter, this distance is 63 meter. Okay, from each other such that the point B and D are at ground level. So B and D at the ground level. Okay, if the length of AB is 30 meter, and the length of CD is 14 meter. This is 14 meter. The whole length is 30 meter. The length of AB is 30 meter. Okay, find AC. Okay, here the hint is given. Draw CE perpendicular to AB. Draw CE. See here, CE perpendicular to AB. AB, this is the perpendicular line. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Okay, and join AC. So you should join AC. Okay, so we are going to find the length of AC. See here, AEC is a right triangle. So we are going to use Pythagoras theorem to find the length of AC. Okay, but we need to know the sides value. Okay, see here, this is BD and EC. These two opposite sides are equal because this is a rectangle shape we are getting here. Okay, so from this to this 14 meter means from this to this 14 meter, and this is 63 means this also 63 meter because opposite sides are equal, but the total length is 30. 30 minus 14, what you will get? 16 meter. And the remaining we are getting. Okay, 30 minus 14, we are getting 16 meter here. Okay, so this is the rectangle, we got it. Okay, now we have the sides value. One side value 16, another side value 63. Now we are going to find the hypotenuse. Okay, so in right angle triangle AEC by Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem, children? The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, so AE square, AC square equal to AE square plus EC square. Okay, substitute the value here. AC square equal to AE 16 square plus EC 63 squares. Okay, then AC square equal to 16 square, you know very well. Okay, 16s are 256 plus 63 square we need to find out. Just multiply this 63 into 63. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 6 3s are 18, 8 remaining 1, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 1, 37. 9, 16, remaining 1, 9, 3. So 3969. Okay, now you add this 9 plus 6, 15, 5 remaining 1, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 2 remaining 1, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 2 remaining 1, 1 plus 3, 4. So AC square equal to what you are getting? 4225. Okay, but what we are going to find? AC. So the square will change square root. Okay, square root of 4225. Now find out the square root of this number. Okay, I am going to use long division method. Okay, so what do you want to do? Each 2 digit you have to put the comma. From the last you want to move. Okay, now here what is that? 42. Okay, 6 6 are 36. 7 7s are 49 is greater than this number. So before the number you have to choose it. 6 6 are 36. Now subtract this, what you will get? 6 and take the next 2 digit 625. After this what do you want to do? We have to multiply with 2. Okay, the quotient what number should be there? That number you want to multiply with 2. So 6 2s are 12. Okay, here the unit digit is 5. So you can substitute here 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 remaining 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12 remaining 1. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So what we are getting, children? The remainder is 0. So what is the answer you receive? 65. So AC equal to 65 meter. What unit is given? Meter. So 65 meter. Is it clear, children? I repeat this. Here we are using the Pythagoras theorem. See here is a rectangle. So opposite sides are equal. 63 means EC also 63. Then EB 14 means DC also 14 meter. Okay. So now 16 meter 63. Two sides value we have it. Then the hypotenuse value we found that using the Pythagoras theorem. So AC square equal to 256 plus 3969. When we add this, what we are getting? 4225. While taking the square root, we are getting 65 meter. See the next question. A man goes 20 meter due east and then 15 meter due south. Okay. Find the distance between his starting point and terminating point. Terminating point means end points. Okay. So a man goes, here a man is standing here, goes east 20 meter, then 15 meter south 15 meter. So we need to find out the distance between the starting point and the terminating point. This is the starting point and this one is terminating point. So this distance we need to find out. Okay. So a man is going in the perpendicular path. So it represents 90 degree. So see here, this is the right triangle. So we need to find out this distance. So just naming it A, B, C. Okay. So we are going to find out the length of AC here. Okay. So in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, AC square, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So AB square plus BC square. Okay, just substitute the values here, children. AB 20 square plus BC 15 square. Okay, square this number. What you will get? AC square equal to, when we square 20 into 20 will get 400 plus 15 square, 15 15s are 225. Just you add it, AC square equal to, when we add this, what you will get, children? 625. But we need to find the AC value. So AC equal to, the square will change square root of 625. So AC equal to, how can we split this, children? You know very well, 25 into 25. Yes, 25 into 25 will get 625. So what is the AC value here? AC equal to 25 meter. So AC is represent the distance between his starting point and the terminating point. Okay. So the hence a man goes, or else a man is 25 meter far from his starting point. Is it clear, children? I repeat this. Here a man is standing here towards east 20 kilometer is walking, then 15 meter, 20 meter, okay, 20 meter, then towards south 15 meter, okay. So we need to find out the distance between the starting and the ending point. So if you join this, the man is walking in perpendicular path. Okay, so perpendicular path means this is right triangle we are getting here. So we need to find out the length of the AC. Here we are using the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem, children? In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Just substitute the value here, 20 square plus 15 square. Okay. 20 square, what we are getting? 400 plus 225. So when we add this, what you are getting, children? 625. So AC square equal to 625. But we need to find AC. AC equal to, the square will change square root. So square root of 625. Okay. How can you split this? 25 into 25. So AC equal to 25 meter. Is it clear, children? Next one, the dimensions of a cuboidal box are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 24 centimeter. What is the length of the longest stick that can fit in the box? Okay, here cuboidal box is given. So what is the dimension of the cuboid? Length, breadth and height. Okay, so these are three dimensions are given here. And they fix the stick inside it. Okay, so the longest stick, see here, this is the stick. Okay, this longest stick length we need to find out. Okay, so A and C, this is the diagonal of a cuboid. So we need to find out diagonal of a cuboid. Okay, we have the formula, that formula we are going to use to solve this. Okay, here what are the things are given? Length equal to 24 centimeter, breadth equal to 6 centimeter, then height equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, this is length, breadth and height is given. Okay, so diagonal of a cuboid equal to, diagonal of a cuboid equal to root of L square plus B square plus H square. What is the formula, children? Diagonal of a cuboid equal to root of L square plus B square plus H square. Okay, substitute the values here. Root of L value 24, 24 square plus B value 6, 6 square plus H value 8, 8 square. Now square this number, children. 24 square, what you will get, children? 24 into 24 will get 576 plus 6 square 36 plus 8 square 64. Now 576, 36 plus 64, what you will get, children? 100. So what you are getting? Root of 676. Just find out the square root, children. 676. Here put the comma. From the last every 2 digit ones we need to put the comma. Here 6 is there. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. 9 is greater than this number. So you have to choose the before one. So 2 2s are 4. 6 minus 4, what you will get? 2, 7, 6. After this, what do you want to do? We need to multiply the quotient with 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Here the number is ending with a 6. So you can check with the 4 or 6 here. Okay. I am choosing 6 here. Okay. 6 6 are 36. Remaining 3. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. So now what you are getting? 0. So what is the answer, children? 26. Okay. So diagonal of a cuboid equal to 26 centimeter. Okay. So what they asked, the length of the longest stick. Length of the longest stick, it's represent diagonal of a cuboid, or you can write length of the longest stick equal to 26 meter. Sorry, 26. Here centimeter is given, so you can write it centimeter. What unit is given in the question, that unit we need to use. Okay. Here centimeter is given, so you have to take it as centimeter. Is it clear, children? To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.